சித்ராமா மாதிரி பாடலாமா?
We go back to Chitraji.
பண்ணும்போது எப்படி இருக்கும்?
He's the sweetest human being ever, also.
Chitraji, you're too modest. I know that you're such a rock star. I think it's unachievable what you've done in your life, and 4 languages and the speed at which you've done classical and folk and organic songs.
ஒரு பாட்டை 15 நிமிஷத்துல ஊதி தள்ளிட்டு போயிடுவாங்க. சுதியோட வார்த்தை தெளிவோட அவ்வளோ ஸ்பீட். அந்த ஸ்பீட் எல்லாருக்கும் வரணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறேன். உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருமே. She can do 20 songs a day. அந்த டைம்ல prime டைம்ல 20 songs a day she could have sung. அந்த talent.
Respect SPBG and Chitraji and all of them so much. They're not like superstars. They can do 4 songs in an hour. They can write the swaram, learn it, and their diction is amazing.
She's amazing, isn't it? I mean, அவங்க extraordinary talent, an extraordinary voice, and ஒரு லெகசியை வச்சுட்டு போயிருக்காங்க. அவ்வளோ சாங்ஸ், அவ்வளோ ஃபேன்ஸ். அவங்க என்னை பற்றி பேசும்போது I'm really humbled.
Try to be a Chitraji, or they would try to be that, like, this is what his film music is. No, I said, no, I didn't call you for that. For that, she is there. She's amazing, and you don't have to imitate her. You be yourself, and then you have to remind them that this is what you are.
இவங்க பயங்கர பெர்ஃபெக்ஷனிஸ்ட். இவங்க மாதிரி சுற்றி இருப்பாரு. You listen to a song called Anjali, South Indian. So that's Chitraji sings one humming in the same raga thing.
Which one? No, I haven't heard it.
So that song is a South Indian song. Bhalachandra Ji's movie. Then there's one interlude on this. Because I think the world has heard it, and the whole world has appreciated the Malayali song. I love that song, and அவங்க பாடின விதம் is elevated to some other level because of that. மலர்கள் கேட்டேன் வந்து அவருக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தது. Actually in this சித்ராமா பாட வேண்டிய பாட்டு அது பாடினாங்க, பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக பாடினோம்.